Got the last two. Yan, we have living and bath. So let's open the bath one. So for this one, I want the rubber ducky or the one massaging the bigger one. So I really want that. Or yung secret, the one with the aqua head. Guys, please sana naman magka-secret ako this time. I really want a secret. Ang hirap na nang walang secret. So, ayan. Struggle na naman. Wait lang. Okay. Hirap na naman buksan. Yun. Nakukuha ko na yung pagbukas. Pero parang mahirap pa rin on some parts. Wait lang. Ayan. Kailangan ko lang. Ay, shit. Nawarak ko, guys. Ang hirap niya buksan in some parts. Okay, anyways. Kakat ko na lang yan. Anyway. Okay, what will I get this time? Oh, this is the one in the cover art. So, actually, first time na nakuha ako sa cover art. So, this is the, ano to? Smisky shampooing. Yan. Cute! Pwede ko siya ilagay sa banyo para to remind me to shampoo every day. So, yun. Last one. Next na tayo.